Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South and we're going to check out this brand new house. It's approximately 700 square meters or so, but you can look down the description later down below after you watch the video to get all the details on this house. So let's go check out this new house in Portofino South. Brought to you by PhilHome. Okay, so you can see here there's a two-car garage here on the upper level, but it has a sub-basement garage also. It is a corner lot. So we'll come and look at the outside later, but let's go inside and check it out. Sorry about the lighting. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so the sun is in a horrible spot. So you can see nice tile fascia, kind of a modern look mixed with Mediterranean. Nice big window in the front there. Let's go check it out. I made a video of this before, but now that it's almost completely finished, I'm doing this re-video. So you can see as soon as you walk in, you have this beautiful tile that I love, you know, with the black lines and the white. So immediately when you walk in, you have this big, huge space. And I'll walk forward here just to give you an idea. Unfortunately, this door is locked, but there's a full bedroom and bathroom and shower and everything in there. You have this access door here to get out to this balcony. So you could have coffee or something out here. Or it's just an outdoor place where people can smoke if you had a party or something. You have built-in air cons in the roof there. I believe that's probably a 5-horser. You got a standing unit over there in that corner. That's probably 3 to 5 horse. And then you have this big open space above the living room. See that? Very nice. You could hang multiple chandeliers from there. And to my immediate left is a very wide stairway. It's very nice, going down and all the way up too. And over here you have another balcony with a sliding glass door. And then you look over to the right here. These sliding doors go into the dining room, so it's an access there. But if we cut through this door here, we can see that the kitchen is on the right. And then on the left of the kitchen is where you put your dining room, which is nice. You can open these sliding glass doors and you could talk to your guests, you know, while you're cooking, if you wanted to. Then you have another sliding glass access door out to the side of the house. This is a pretty good sized dining room. Probably hold at least an 8-man table, maybe longer. So if you want privacy, you can close these doors. Now the kitchen's very nice big island. You see it has a built-in electric stove top built right into the counter with the exhaust right there. Of course, they haven't taken the sticker off, but that's all stainless steel. If you look to the right here, you have a built-in microwave, built-in oven, and then you have a hidden ref on both sides, I believe. Anyways, right in there. And then you have places for dishes with the glass here. Then of course, you got a dishwasher here. Nice sink area. They made the granite nice and level there so you can clean the countertop right into the sink. See a nice drawer set up. You can see that stovetop electric. Of course, you got plenty of space over here if you want to put more counters and use a gas stove or something. You got an air con to cool the kitchen. We will go down this way later. Well, let's go ahead and I'll just show you this room, then I can go down the other way. But over here is a nice big, I like this glass corner here, nice big dirty kitchen. All stainless steel, as you can see. Let me turn some lights on so you can see a little better. And then over here is where your gas stove is. All built in with the exhaust, stainless steel exhaust. So, and all these stainless steel cupboards. So let's go over here and go upstairs. I like the color of the cabinets too, very nice. So another pan up here to see that nice open ceiling. Just give me a second. I have to take my shoes off to go on the second floor because the Nara has just been polished. They're in the process. So you can see a nice wide stairway made out of Nara. Lots of windows you can open up. Got a nice big window here, let all the natural light in. You can see how pretty the floor is. And then of course above us, we can hang a nice chandelier from there. Sorry about the angle, but. So then we come around, go up to the second floor. So you have the railings, as you can see, but glass siding so kids can't fall off. Then you have another sliding glass door here to a little balcony, you know, catch some air or someone smokes. But see, you can hang a chandelier there. You can hang one here too. So now we see this big open space here. And you have another sliding glass door to a miniature balcony over here too. As you can see, pretty cool. That's nice. Nice big view, Portofino's, open lots, lots of pine trees out here. No telephone, ugly telephone wires or anything like that here. Everything is underground. So we come into this room here. You can see all Nara floors. You got the dual windows with the covering, so you know that the bed goes there. Big aircon in here. Let's check out the bathroom. So you can see, got a little vanity desk there. And then you have some built-in closets here all the way up. Very nice. And then you have CR with bidet, nice sink setup, shower with handle and overhead, all stainless steel, glass wall here. Pretty good setup. Got Nara doors. So let's go into this next room here. See the same setup. You can tell that because of the ceiling design there that the bed would go there. And then you got this nice big window here to bring some light in. And then nice big walk-in closets here. See that? And then the bathroom is similar to the other one, but they're doing some work in there, so I won't shoot that. Someone's in there. So you can see straight across again, nice view of this open space. You can walk out of your room, look down, yell to the driver, get my car ready. You got a standing aircon here, probably 5-horser, 3 to 5 horse. Got an aircon in this bedroom. You can see the design again here. The bed would go here. Nice big mirror here, lots of window, lots of lighting. You come in, same situation. Walk-in closets to the left, from ground to ceiling. Still Nara floors in here. And you got the nice glass enclosed shower with stainless steel shower and handheld. CR with stainless steel bidet. Nice sink setup. Fans. And let's go check the next one. Then we have the master. So we got 4 bedrooms on this floor. And here's the master bedroom. Nice size. Got a sliding glass door to a small balcony where the husband and wife can sit there at night and hang out, have some drinks maybe. You can see the master bed would go below this, so the master bed would be sitting right here, facing that way. Big aircon there to keep it cool. You got your cable hookup, cable TV and everything. I believe there's an internet connection over there. And then you have this cubby hole, which you can either use as storage or whatever you'd like to use it for. You can see how that got some space behind the wall here. And then as we walk into the master bedroom bathroom, To the left, you got a nice tub here with enclosed glass shower. And you have the raindrop style shower there. You can hear the fans on there. CR over there, and you have the his and her sink. So we have that. And then we come over to the walk-in closet. And we have a nice view of this. Got these glass sliding doors. And then we have the glass setup over here, cabinets. And then you have a vanity area here. And then you have the closet here. Hold on just 1 second. And then you can see over here you have a nice mirror. Hello. And more cabinets here. I like these glass cabinet doors. Those are pretty nice. So we come out of there. Let me turn the lights off. Still got more cabinets here on the left behind this door too. So that's the master bedroom. Now let's go down into the sub-basement parking and check out all around the house here. I like these, how wide these stairs are, very nice. Just give me a few seconds. I gotta slip my shoes on. Because like I said, they were polishing the floors up there. They don't want to get them dirty. So let's go down this stairway first to the garage. See, big windows down here. That can be open too to let cool air in if you want. Keep going down, nice wide stairs. You have a small guest or driver CR here. See that? Sink behind the door. You have some storage area under here, behind the stairs too, if you wanted to store something behind there. And then we would immediately walk out to the garage area here. Oh. So in here, I won't go in there, but there's about a 15 square meter, 20 square meter stock room. And then here's a, okay, thank you. And then that's the stairway up to the dirty kitchen. Then you have the driver's room here. He's got his window here for some light, so he doesn't feel like he's in a cave. And I believe this is another room. Yeah, maid's rooms. Yeah. And then over here, you have the maids and drivers CR. See that? And then you got some storage under the stairs here. And then even down here, they have a place where they can wash up if they worked on the cars or something. They got cabinets for cleaning products. And then you have a, I think this is a just a faucet area where you can wash off. A door here for storage. So this is the way out to the garage again. But we'll go this way. So, if you remember right, this is the dirty kitchen to the dirty kitchen. This is to the kitchen, this door. That area, extra space by the kitchen windows. The sliding glass door from the dining room. Then you take your steps down to the entryway, which here you can hold at least 2 cars. So you have an upper car garage, and then you have a lower car garage, which holds about, maybe 4 or 5, 6 cars or something like that, they said. But we'll walk around and take a look. See the nice big windows here. So we come down this way. And there's that little balcony I was telling you about off the main living room. Hopefully this door's open. So you can see there's a drainage here. So even though this slants down and water might flow in here, there's a drainage system here. And so you have an automatic garage door opener here. Probably hold 3 or 4 cars down here. You see you got an automatic garage door opener. So that's the stairs up to the dirty kitchen. That's the way to get to the stairs you can see through the window to go up to the house. So let me give you a side view. So give you a side view of this house. So there's your underground parking. The main windows there from the side of the stairs and the front of the stairs. Nice newly built wall. Got your internet connections and cable connections there. This has high-speed fiber optics. So about 150 speed or so. I'm just gonna walk around and show you the area, see how pretty it is. I don't think they plan on building along here. I think maybe one day they might expand the road, but I doubt it. Look at this massive space you have in front of your house where it comes to a V. I mean, look at how wide the street is in front of your house. This means you could have a ton of parking if you have a big party. So now this nice corner view. It's a corner lot, of course. Very pretty. This house is facing east. So the back of the house is getting the sunset. The front of the house is getting the sunrise. You can see your neighbors in the area. This lot here, 370 square meters, possibly available, but it won't be cheap. So in case you bought this house, you wanted to add on, it's possible. So if the right deal's made. So I hope you enjoyed this video by Phil Home. Go to our website to see more information about this house, or you can go to philhome.com, or you can go to Facebook and find Phil Home in Facebook and like and subscribe. And then if you go to our TravelOnline TV, you can see the Phil Home section there as one of the channels for real estate. You can see all the videos that we've shot in Vista Alabang, Portofino South, Heights, Amore, all different places in the area, Enclave. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching philhome.com.